So I have this rapid fire, sibling rapid fire, and you guys have to answer. I will give you questions, और आपको answer करना है. So this is called spill the truth. Okay. So I'll start. Have you got jealous because of your sibling got more attention?
Never.
Not just jealous. She would not, because I would not get the attention. I would.
No, now you do. Now you do.
Yeah, but now we're in different countries, you know, so it's...
No.
I'm talking about earlier. Before you got married.
You should say that. You answer.
Yeah,
that.
that's what I say. I do. Of course I would.
Have you lied to someone or your parents and got the other sibling beaten up?
No.
Yeah, like how you would say. Not that way, but yeah, she did it.
He would lie. He's a liar. He is a compulsive liar. He lies for everything. I never lied. So yeah.
Who was the naughtiest kid?
He was, of course. No doubt.
कोई याद है शरारत एकदम बहुत ही, उनके शो का नाम, कोई याद है शरारत जो बहुत ही मतलब you can't forget, ऐसा कोई?
हम लोग
I
में तो
only
सिर्फ
remember Anil Baba used to say he used to throw people's pots from their house. That's what I can remember.
That's right. तो ऊपर है ना मलाड में हमारी मेरी नानी की सिस्टर रहती है अभी भी. So we would drive every weekend. We were very close to our nani and their sisters and all. So we would drive from Cuff Parade to Malad every weekend.
Not every weekend, but yeah.
But at least once a month. तो वो है ना 4 माले पे रहते थे, 4th floor पे रहते थे, और उनके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स थे वो कॉलोनी में. तो हम सबके घर जाते थे, and everybody was very close knit. तो सबके बालकनी के बाहर है ना यूं गमले रखे हुए थे इतने सारे. तो मैं गमलों को यूं नीचे यूं गिरा देता था.
Just for fun.
For fun. मुझे अच्छा लगता था.
He used to sweet talk people, like there was a little store there. He used to sweet talk the owner of the store and take sweets. And he used to write that guy used to write the death in the hisab in my nani's. So he used to go and have lots of chocolates and whatever he wanted to have.
Okay.
तो बहुत सारी हुई है.
I'm sure. Who put the blame on whom?
नहीं, काम ही मैं इतने करता था ना, तो ब्लेम तो मुझ पे ही आते थे.
Yeah, it was always him only. The blame was always.
एक ऐसा वक्त आ गया कि ये बन गई एकदम हरीशचंद्र सत्यवादी कि ये मीनाक्षी तो कर ही नहीं सकती है, you know.
Oh, once remember Bas slapped people with a raw stock, long time ago, like 20-30 years ago, movies were made on raw stock, right? So you could not expose raw stock to the sunlight.
So my grandfather also, they would make movies. तो एक मूवी बना शूट करके वो रील का जो डब्बा था वो नेगेटिव था. Okay, it was a negative. You're not supposed to expose a negative till you don't process it. तो वो डब्बा हम घर पे ही रखते थे. It was like a
maybe it was something was lying there, and I just said that
April Fool. नहीं April Fool का टाइम था. Okay, तो ये और मेरे चाचा जो हैं सुरेश अंकल जो अब इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे. He was like a full fun loving man. तो ये और मेरे चाचा दोनों ने एक प्लान बनाया कि April Fool है, मस्ती करते हैं दादाजी के साथ. तो इसने जाके वो बोले कि तेरी बात मानेंगे, तू जो बोलेगी वो मानेंगे, बिकॉज शी वुड ऑलवेज वो बन गया था कि मीनाक्षी मतलब सच्चाई का प्रतीक. हाँ. So she went and told my grandfather, "Arey, look what Tino did. He opened your raw stock ka dabba." Grandfather didn't ask any questions. What? And he was like a 6'2", 6'3", huge. Giant.
Big hands he had. The big hand came on Tino's.
हाँ, मतलब ये एक हाथ नहीं, ये एक हाथ था ऐसा. This was one hand. He just came out and I was just standing there, okay, क्या हो रहा है. He came and he slapped me. मतलब मैं गिरा एक hand से दूसरे hand. और मारने के बाद she screamed, "Oh, April Fool." After that, हंसोगे क्या करो? and then everybody started laughing but me.
Bichara.
So yeah.
Okay, who would steal food from a plate?
Oh, no, not from plate, but I would steal mangoes.
Yes. He used to cheat, he would lie, he would do all bad things he used to do.
Yeah. I don't call that stealing, okay? मतलब अगर दूसरे की प्लेट में है तो अगर मैं एक बाइट लूं उसे स्टीलिंग नहीं बोलते, उसे प्यार बोलते हैं. मैं दूसरों की प्लेट में नहीं खाऊंगा ऐसा, सिर्फ अपनों की प्लेट में.
Who would get caught bunking school, college?
No one got caught. He would
No,
never
not get caught,
He
but
was
I
a
would-
fun guy, so it would be him, not me.
Okay. He would bunk but never get caught.
Yeah, he'd never get
Ah.
caught.
Okay. Who's the more mature sibling between you two?
Obviously me.
Most memorable fight, argument, and who would win an argument?
She would always win an argument.
I would always win the arguments. I was just the smooth talker, so I would win. And memorable, we've had like so many. There's like I can't remember anything on top of my head.
ये जब बचपन में we were really small, like maybe around 6-7 years old, she was very strong physically, big. But then, as time passed, if I could not speak, I used my hands.
Okay. Annoying habits as brother, sister?
Annoying habits.
I don't remember.
Like,
As
you're
kids,
pretty nice that way.
as
Yeah.
kids,
That's annoying. See, if I got annoyed with something, I would just slap him and bring him to book.
ये चूटियां बहुत बढ़ती थी. That was the
Nothing
problem.
would-
And
if anything
scratch.
annoyed me, I would make sure that I would, get my way out. And obviously, he couldn't get annoyed with me, so it was pretty cool that way.
I loved it too much. बोला ऐसे क्या annoy होना.
name each other's best friends.
Tinu,
Meghna.
Tinu's best friend, I would say, would be TJ for the last 20 years.
That's true.
Safe
Actually.
Safe answer.
Yeah.
Safe
No,
answer.
before
Safe
that,
answer.
I would say Hashim.
Yeah.
Is Hashim your good friend?
Hashim, Sood.
Sood. Yeah, I would say Amit.
Sood. Yeah.
Agru, Pinang.
Agru, Pinang, Nakul.
But I think your best friend was Hashim for a long time.
Yeah. Hashim and Sood.
Yeah, and Sood.
Hashim still is. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
One habit from
Oh,
each
by the way,
other.
it's Hashim.
Hashim. Sorry, Hashim.
Yeah.
He'll get angry. Yeah.
Yeah, he'll get angry.
One habit from each other's childhood that had stayed even now.
That has?
Stayed with you even now.
Tinu's habit of lying will never go. So he always lied since he was a kid and it hasn't stopped.
And she nags, and I think she'll keep nagging for the rest of her life.
Okay, I'll take it. I'll take that.
What was your worst fear as a kid, individually?
Worst
Oh.
fear as a kid. Cockroaches, I think. That's
Yeah. Yeah. She was like, she's petrified. Cockroach, lizard, तो मतलब दुनिया एक कर दे. चिल्ला के, oh God. मैं cockroach नहीं भी होता, हाथ ऐसे ही कर लिया और इसको टिकल करना बहुत मतलब, by God, that's too much.
Okay.
मेरा कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं था. I was no fear. Fear as in fear of getting screamed at, fear of being scolded. यही fear था हमेशा.
fear of getting scolded. Yeah.
हाँ, कि शैतानी इतनी करता था तो मुझे I didn't want to get caught.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Karanveer, and thank you so much, Meenakshi, for taking out time.
Thank you.